Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin your Etsy listings on Pinterest. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now let's just see these posts on the Pinterest business community. And as you can see, all you need to do is to simply create the pins or share your listing directly over from Etsy to Pinterest. Or you can simply start using some kind of connection. So here, if we go to Etsy website, you will be able to manage your store from the shop manager. So basically now, if we click on the shop manager, you will be able to access your dashboard. Now, where we need to go is the marketing page or menu. And from here, we will be able to see the share and save and the social media. So here, share and save, you will be able to start sharing your links, and basically they can be joined, etc. But what we are interested in is social media. So here you can, for example, connect in your social media. Either you can connect to Facebook, and basically you will be able to share two pages, and here you will find Pinterest. So basically, in the current moment, Pinterest uh, is having some uh, correction or some fixes, and basically it is not available now, but you will be able to start connecting your Pinterest account, and from there you can be able to start sharing the listing directly to your Pinterest account, and the same for the X platform and Instagram. Otherwise, if you want to manually create your listings, you will be able to simply go to create it here, and you will be able to find save, and here you will need just to go and basically click on this create pin, and from here we click on create, and then you will need just to fill in the information the image and everything else, and then you can save the pin. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.